Hello, my dear young learners. How are you all? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I know you were eagerly waiting for opening the college. But for this pandemic situation, we are unable to do this. But as a student, don't waste your time. It is your duty to study continuously. For this, I am here to take your English class. Here, I am Laila Arjuman, lecturer in English, Milestone College. Welcome you all in my online class. My dear students, can you guess what is our today's topics? Yes, you are right. Our today's topics is modifier. At first, I will discuss what is modifier and how many kinds of modifiers. So let's see what is modifiers and its classifications. What is modifier? The word or phrase that takes place before or after any word and gives extra information about that word is called modifier. Example: everybody respects a learned man. Here, learned takes place before the word man and gives extra information about that man. So, here, learned is a modifier. How many kinds of modifier? There are two kinds of modifier, such as pre-modifier and post-modifier. What is pre-modifier? Pre means before. So, the modifier which takes place before any noun or noun phrase and gives extra information about that noun is called pre-modifier. Example: we should not drink polluted water. Here, polluted is a pre-modifier because it takes place before the word water and gives extra information about this water. So, it is a pre-modifier. What is post-modifier? Post means after. So, the modifier which takes place after the noun or noun phrase and modify that noun is called post-modifier. Example: the machines made in a local factory are working well. Here, made in a local factory is a post-modifier because it takes place after the noun, the machines, and modify this word. So, made in a local factory is a post-modifier. My dear students, already you have known that there are two types of modifiers. One is pre-modifier, another one is post-modifier. Now I will show you some important modifiers. You need to know that some modifiers are used as a pre-modifier and some are used as a post-modifier. So let's see some important modifiers. Some important modifiers. Number 1, adjective modifier. It takes place before a noun and gives extra information about that word. Here, honest takes place before a noun worker and gives extra information about the worker. So here, honest is an adjective modifier. Number 2, determiners. There are two types of determiners: A, articles, and B, demonstratives. Articles are A and D Demonstratives are these, that, these, those. Number 3, possessive pronouns. Example, his, her, our, their, my, your. Number 4, participles. There are two types of participles, present participle and past participle. Example, a running car. Here running is a present participle. Polluted water. Here polluted is a past participle. Number 5, infinitive phrase. The structure of infinitive phrase is to plus verb. Example, she took a determination to pass in the examination. Here, to pass is the infinitive phrase and here it used as a modifier. Dear students, you know that modifier is a topic of English second paper. And for this, you will get a passage. It is the 9-number question of English second paper. And here in this passage you will get 10 gaps. Each gap contains 0.5 marks. So here for these 10 gaps you will get 0.5 multiply 10 equal 5 marks. If you want to get these 5 marks, at first you will read the full passage carefully. Otherwise you cannot understand what the passage or what the gaps demand. So, it is your first duty to read the passage. Then you will write the answer of these gaps. There will be given some clues for filling the gaps. So, you will read the direction very carefully. Now, I will practice a board question. Today, I will practice a board question from Dhaka Board 2019. So, let's see the question. Dhaka Board 2019. Question. Read the following text and use modifiers as directed in the blank spaces. Arsenic is a dash substance. It is dangerous for human health. Here in number A, we have to use a word that pre-modify the noun. And in number B, we have to use an intensifier to pre-modify the adjective. So in number A, we can use poisonous, and in B, we can use very because intensifiers are very, great, enough, etc. C. Dash substance is found in the water of the tube well. There are dash villages in dash country. In number C, we have to use a demonstrative pronoun to pre-modify the noun. So here we can use this because we know that demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, those. So here we can use this. In number D, we need to use quantifiers to pre-modify the noun. So here we can use many because we know many, much are the quantifiers. And in number E, we have to use possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are his, her, ours, etc. So here we can use our. So let's see the answer, these, many, our. Number F. Most of our dash people drink table water. As a result, many of them are suffering from arsenic problem. This problem is dash found in North Bengal. So here in number F, we have to use a noun adjective to pre-modify the noun. So here we can use village people.
And in number G, this problem is dash found in North Bengal. Here we have to use an adverb because this adverb pre-modify the verb. So let's see the answer. Number F, village, and number G, largely. We should take proper measures dash post modify the verb with an infinitive phrase. Government is trying to mark the tubes having arsenic, red colors. Here in number 8, we have to use a word that post modify the verb with an infinitive phrase. And in number I, we have to use a participle to post modify the verb. So if we use to get rid of this problem, in number 8, it will be an infinitive phrase. And in number I, if we use using, then it will be present participle. So let's see the answer. Number 8, to get rid of this problem, and number I, using. People should be refrained from drinking water of dash tubes, otherwise they will suffer from arsenicosis. In number J, we have to use a demonstrative pronoun to pre-modify the noun. We know that demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, those. So here we can use these tubes. So answer is these.
Now I will show you how you can write the answer of modifier. At first you will write the question number like this. Answer to the question noun dash. Then you will write the answer serially like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Please don't break the serial number. If you think that you are unable to write any answer, then you will pass that number. You will write the answer next one. But never break the serial number. Now I will show you the answer of Dhaka board. A number answer is poisonous. B, very. C, these. D number answer is many. E number our. F number village. G number largely. H number to get rid of this problem. I using. J these. As a student, it is your duty to see that the capital letters. If the word is beginning word, then you will write the capital letter. And if it is not, then you can use small letter. And as a fill in the gaps, you have to give underline below the answer. By this way, you will give underline. And this is the answer of Dhaka board. So that's all for today, my dear students. I think you have understood my lecture. Do you have any question from these topics? If you have any question from this topic, you can ask me anytime. I will give the answer. So, wishing you good health, I end my class. Thank you all. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.